Stop. If you're thinking about buying kids' book Mega Prompt, you absolutely need to watch this video first. Because this product claims it can help you create complete children's books using AI prompts. Fast, simple and beginner-friendly. But is it actually worth your money? Or is it just another overhyped prompt pack? In this Honest Kids Book Mega Prompt review, I'll show you exactly what you get, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and I'll also reveal how to unlock my $997 bonus bundle for free. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're interested in AI content creation, children's books, Amazon KDP, self-publishing, or passive income with digital products, this review will help you decide if Kids Book Mega Prompt is the right tool for you. This is a no-hype, straight-to-the-point review. What is Kids Book Mega Prompt? Kids Book Mega Prompt is a done-for-you AI prompt system designed to help you create children's storybooks, activity books and educational content using tools like ChatGPT or other AI writers. Instead of struggling with writing stories from scratch, coming up with characters, morals and plots, or spending hours brainstorming kids-friendly ideas, this system gives you ready-made prompts that generate story ideas, full children's stories, characters and dialogues, moral lessons, book outlines and chapters, all within minutes. No writing skills needed. Key features and benefits. Here's why people are excited about Kids Book Mega Prompt. Massive prompt library for kids' books. You get hundreds of carefully designed prompts for bedtime stories, picture books, educational kids' books, moral stories, early learning books, and just copy, paste and generate. Beginner-friendly, no writing experience needed. If you can copy and paste text, you can create kids' books. Perfect for beginners, parents, teachers, self-publishers, side hustlers and Amazon KDP users. Works with AI tools you already use. You can use these prompts with ChatGPT, other AI writing tools, any text-based AI platform and no extra software required. Time-saving and scalable. What used to take days or weeks can now be done in minutes. You can create multiple books per week, entire series, different age group versions, and this makes it ideal for scaling. Multiple monetization opportunities. You can use the content for Amazon KDP, Etsy Kids printables, digital storybooks, educational products, client work, personal projects and one system, many income paths. Honest pros and cons. Let's be fair and honest. Pros. Huge time saver, beginner-friendly, high-demand niche, kids' books never die, works with free AI tools and great for self-publishing. Cons. You still need to format books properly, AI content may need light editing. Results depend on how well you use prompts and nothing major, just realistic expectations. If you grab Kids Book Mega Prompt through my link below, you'll unlock my exclusive $997 bonus bundle absolutely free. Here's what you get. BONUS 1. Kids Book Publishing Blueprint, $297. Step-by-step guide to publish children's books on Amazon KDP the right way. Bonus 2. AI Kids Illustration Prompt Pack, $197. Create stunning kids' book illustrations using AI art tools, no designer needed. Bonus 3. DFY Canva Kids Book Templates, $197. Professionally designed interior and cover templates for kids' books. Bonus 4. Etsy and KDP Monetization Guide, $197. How to sell kids' books and printables on Etsy and Amazon. Bonus 5. Kids Story Series Creation Framework, $109. Turn one story idea into a full book series for recurring income. Total bonus value, $997. Free when you use my link. So, is Kids Book Mega Prompt worth it? If you want a fast, beginner-friendly way to create kids' books using AI, then yes, it's absolutely worth considering. And when you include my $997 bonus bundle, this becomes an insane value. Click the link in the description now. Grab Kids Book Mega Prompt, unlock my bonuses instantly and start creating children's books today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.